Let me show you how we can completely disable or enable Gemini and Google Assistant on Motorola Edge 70. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings, and in here let's just choose Google. Once we open Google services, we should be able to switch to all services, and then we need to find search assistant and voice. Now in here we have the Google Assistant option, so we're gonna go over here. Even if you use Gemini, you want to go to Google Assistant. And if you actually use Gemini, then we need to go to Digital Assistants from Google, and we need to switch from Gemini to Google Assistant. If you already have Google Assistant, then of course we can skip this part. After that, go to General, and we have the Google Assistant switcher, so we can just tap over here in order to turn it off, or of course turn it on. If the Gemini and Google Assistant is completely off and you want to turn it on, then you can just follow the same steps, but you just have to enable the Google Assistant in here. And then you can go to Digital Assistants from Google in order to choose whichever you prefer to use. And besides that, if you want to completely get rid of the Gemini and the Google Assistant, you can also open settings again. Let's go back to the main menu. And for example, if you use gestures for navigation, then we can go to gestures and open system navigation, and then tap on this setting icon right next to gesture navigation in order to disable swipe for assistant, because we have a little swipe from the bottom left and bottom right corner where you can swipe inwards in order to activate Gemini or Google Assistant. So we can turn that off if you don't want to use these assistants, of course. And besides that, we can also go to power key, and over here we have press and hold, which can be of course set to Digital Assistant. I believe it is set by default to Digital Assistant, so we can turn it off and switch to, let's say, power menu. So we can quickly open the power menu by pressing and holding the power button. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.